Today we have got an exciting tutorial for you. Ever wondered how to stream on Kick using mobile device? In this video we are going to show you how to stream on Kick using Android or iOS device. Please like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. First thing first, make sure you have got Prism Live Studio application downloaded and installed in your mobile device. We will use the Prism Live Studio as the streaming application because we find this application much better than other applications. You can find it in the App Store for iOS users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Once you have got the app ready, open it up. If you are new here, you will need to create an account. Don't worry, it's a quick and simple process. Who already have an account, just sign in using your credentials. Allow all the permission it asks to you because it requires to run in your device. Now switch camera to screen as we will be streaming the gameplay. Please allow the launching the Prism Live on the top of the other apps. Find out Prism Live from the app list and toggle it on the display over other apps. Now click on Ready button at the bottom of the page, then set a destination. Tap on Add button at the left corner. Unfortunately, there is no option to directly connect to kick.com, so we have to use custom rtmp option. To configure the custom rtmp, we need to fill some information. First option is the server name, just to give a name to identify easily. For the other two options, stream URL and stream key, we need to go to the creator dashboard of Kick. To do so, open a browser and type on the URL bar kick.com. Now log into your Kick account. Here we have to enable the desktop mode or desktop page. Click on the three dots at the bottom of the corner, then click on the desktop mode to enable the desktop version or desktop page. Now let's go to the creator dashboard. You will find it at the top left corner under the section of profile icon. Hit to the settings tab at the left side of creator dashboard. From there, click on the stream key. Here you will find stream URL and stream key. Just to copy the stream URL and paste it into the stream URL in Prism Live Studio. Now copy the stream key from the Kick creator dashboard and paste it into the stream key box in Prism Live Studio. Then hit save button. You can also configure the output resolution up to 1080p. You can set video quality and the max bitrate is 4000 for 1080p. Unfortunately, there is no option for 60 fps. If everything is okay, click on the OK button to save the changes. When everything seems fine, click on the Go Live button, then Start Now. It will start counting. At the time, open the game you would like to stream. Congratulations, you are successfully streaming on kick.com by using your mobile device. Click on the Prism icon to get mic, camera and other settings. If you want to check your live stream, you can go to the creator dashboard of kick.com or you can download the Kick application from App Store. From there, you should see you all live. We hope this tutorial was helpful for all you content creators out there. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, happy streaming.